Hey, if you have moved or just need to update your business info, here's how you can change your LLC address using LegalZoom. It's actually pretty simple, but LegalZoom doesn't exactly make it obvious, so let's walk through it together. First, log into your LegalZoom account and go to your dashboard under My Businesses. Click on your LLC name. That will take you to your business overview. Scroll down to the section called Business Details or Manage My Business. Here, look for something like change of address, amendment, or file a change. The wording might differ slightly depending on your state. Click that, and LegalZoom will guide you through the steps. They'll usually ask you to confirm your new address, and they might charge a small fee to handle the paperwork with your state. If your state requires an official amendment or form, LegalZoom will usually handle that for you, but make sure you double check the change gets processed on your state's website too. And that's it. Your LLC address update should go through in a few days. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. I'll break down business steps like this to keep your brand running smooth. Got more LegalZoom or LLC questions? Hit the comments. I'll help you out.